Today working on this fellow, tuning it up, kind of basically working fine. It's a signal generator, 3 bands, up to what, 300 megs. Powerful thing. It's rather a cool old Navy piece. And what I've been doing is, actually, it had some knobs I didn't like too much, so I replaced them with these knobs. Somebody might recognize these knobs. I wonder if you do. They're off the fire control system off of a Mackenzie-class warship. It was either Mackenzie, Columbia, Yukon, or Saskatchewan. I took part of the fire control up the hill with me, as well as got all these knobs. Very nicely made pieces. Metal. Now somebody's going to recognize these things. That worked on one of the warships, I guess. So, and just repairing another knob that was broken, crunched up with sitting here. I put the old knob on top. Took off the old broken knob and put this on this plate. JP Weld. That won't come off. Anyway, on to another video.